The dog is chasing the cat.
The dog is chasing the cat.
She is reading a book.
She is reading a book.
They are playing soccer.
They are playing soccer.
He is eating an apple.
He is eating an apple.
The birds are singing in the tree.
The birds are singing in the tree.
Mom is cooking dinner.
Mom is cooking dinner.
Dad is driving the car.
Dad is driving the car.
The baby is sleeping.
The baby is sleeping.
The teacher is writing on the whiteboard.
The teacher is writing on the whiteboard.
Sarah is jumping rope.
Sarah is jumping rope.
Tom is brushing his teeth.
Tom is brushing his teeth.
The children are laughing together.
The children are laughing together.
The sun is shining brightly.
The sun is shining brightly.
The farmer is milking the cow.
The farmer is milking the cow.
The mailman is delivering letters.
The mailman is delivering letters.
Grandma is knitting a sweater.
Grandma is knitting a sweater.
John is watering the plants.
John is watering the plants.
The baby is crying loudly.
The baby is crying loudly.
The students are listening to the teacher.
The students are listening to the teacher.
The bees are buzzing around the flowers.
The bees are buzzing around the flowers.
Mary is dancing in the rain.
Mary is dancing in the rain.
The chef is cooking delicious food.
The chef is cooking delicious food.
The train is arriving at the station.
The train is arriving at the station.
The cat is chasing a mouse.
The cat is chasing a mouse.
The workers are building a house.
The workers are building a house.
The clock is ticking on the wall.
The clock is ticking on the wall.
The mechanic is fixing the car.
The mechanic is fixing the car.
The baby is crawling on the floor.
The baby is crawling on the floor.
The children are playing with toys.
The children are playing with toys.
The teacher is helping the students.
The teacher is helping the students.
The dog is barking loudly.
The dog is barking loudly.
The kids are swimming in the pool.
The kids are swimming in the pool.
The birds are flying in the sky.
The birds are flying in the sky.
Sarah is riding her bike.
Sarah is riding her bike.
Dad is mowing the lawn.
Dad is mowing the lawn.
Mom is washing the dishes.
Mom is washing the dishes.
The baby is giggling happily.
The baby is giggling happily.
The students are raising their hands.
The students are raising their hands.
The firefighters are putting out the fire.
The firefighters are putting out the fire.
The chef is tasting the soup.
The chef is tasting the soup.